Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so the widget can run reliably. First, check your Windows 11 build under Settings System About. Make sure it's a supported release. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account and enable widgets in Settings. This ties preferences and permissions together. Also confirm internet access and turn on location services for precise local forecasts. You're starting with configuration, so the rest installs cleanly. These steps prevent permission and data errors later. Now you'll add and configure the weather widget itself. Press Win+W or click the widget's icon on the taskbar, then open the widgets board and select the profile or the plus button to add a widget. Choose weather and click Add Widget. Watch it appear on your panel. Next, set the city manually if you prefer specific forecasts, or allow location access for automatic detection. Also switch units between degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit so the display matches your preference. Finish by placing the widget where you want it and verifying updates. Pin the widget's icon to the taskbar or resize the widget inside the widgets board for quick access. If the weather feed doesn't load, make sure Windows Update and Microsoft Store app updates are applied. Outdated components often cause failures. If problems persist, reset widget's data in Settings or sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account to refresh permissions and sync. This usually resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.